Alright, just had to put a new battery in this camera. Oh, everyone's well ahead of me, but this road surface has become real nice. I want to share it with you. Oh, if I can get back on this bike. Oh. Alright, let's do this. Of course, I miss all the great surface. As soon as I turn the camera back on, we're back to dirt. Oh, fair income. That'd be right. I don't seem to have good timing with my camera work. Oh, look at these culverts in the road. Hey. That one. That's where we come from, up there. Up there where the towers are. And you can see it's still a long way down. I'll try and get I can't even really see. It's just down and down and down. I'm still looking at the tops of the clouds down in that valley. Oh, this road is magic. Still a little bit damp looking in the shade. It makes me wary. It's not the kind of place that you want to get crash, hurt yourself, break an arm or a leg, because help is a long way away, and it comes in the form of a couple of guys in a jeep, and there won't be any morphine, and they'll put you in the back and you'll get bounced around in the back of that for hours, or maybe a day, or maybe longer, I don't know, and it won't be any fun. So I'm always just trying to keep it within reason, where I feel like I can just corner that little bit harder if I need to in an emergency, or I can pull up before the edge of the cliff, or whatever it is. I just try and keep myself in check a little bit, because I'm well aware that I don't want to hurt myself here. And I really try to drum that into our guys too. I have a little chat with them this morning and I said, listen, just be real careful. Let's have another safe day. Let's get to our destination with smiles on our faces and not tears in our eyes. Oh, that's a bit hectic. It's amazing they even build roads in here. It's just, look at this hill. I suppose you'd call it a mountain, not a hill, but it is not easy going to build anything in this country. Oh man, it's beautiful in here. Sort of place where you expect the odd large cat, panther, tiger. I suppose they're becoming more scarce as the country gets more populated. When I was a kid here, we used to have a panther that would scope out our goat shed at night, you know. Wanted our goat for dinner, never got it. but we'd see him occasionally. Would go to the outdoor toilet using a kerosene lantern to find our way. And as a kind of 6-year-old, often I would see him and the light would be reflecting from his eyes from my lantern, and he'd just stare at me and I'd stare at him, and at that age I had no fear. I didn't realise that he could eat me, you know. And yeah, it's a shame when these magnificent animals, not just big cats or whatever, but any species, gets driven to extinction or near extinction. Here's the guys waiting for me, waving me on, saying, "Keep going, mate. We've been here all day. Where have you been?" I've been changing batteries in the camera and taking footage of you down the hill. That's where I've been. I've got to be wary here or get lulled into this, I guess, false sense of security that I've got the road to myself, and I forget to beep around those tight bends, and I'll come up on one and there'll be a bloody truck or a tractor or a bus or a car or something coming the other way. It'll catch me by surprise, and I'll catch them by surprise because I didn't beep. So beeping here is not an aggressive thing. It's a hello, I'm here, look out, I'm coming by. It's just communication. Woo! How good was that, boys?
Unbelievable.
Huh?
That was unbelievable.
It's awesome, isn't it?
Best fun I've ever had on a bike.
You know what you missed though? You missed the monkey. You stopped on
I seen a deer. Deer come up on the track.
Yeah. I was just, the camera, is the camera flashing red? Yeah, I was just talking to the camera about, it's the type of area you'd expect to see like a panther or a tiger or whatever. Probably less likely nowadays than it used to be, but that's perfect hangout for them, you know.
Yeah, there's only a little baby deer.
Monkeys too, didn't they?
I slowed down trying to play with my GoPro. I look up and this little baby deer come up on the road and he's walking. I'm trying to get the GoPro going. He's like jumping up.
On film coming down the hill.
Right at the front, so much fun.
Like they're going pretty hard.
Don't swear. You're going to use this. Hey Pete, tell us about it, man.
Best fun I've ever had on a bike.
Yeah?
Unbelievable. Day 2, feeling very comfortable. Just good bitumen. Oh. Like good.
I went right through the good section with my camera off because the battery was flat already, and I went, this is so good, I've got to change the battery, and I stopped and I changed the battery, and then 200 metres around the bend it went to dirt.
Unbelievable. That was just smile. I could not wipe the smile off my face.
Yeah, it's awesome, eh?
Boys right behind me. It was just like so much fun. I just can't wait for more.
We're going down in the group, 3 of us together, all the way down.
Yeah.
I was trying to behave myself, but I wanted to go for a hoon, so I sent Dave for a hoon instead because I was staying behind.
Oh, you don't have to stay behind.